What's up, Econ John here. Welcome back to Marxist Economics. This is the last video in our crash course for economists, so I hope this one is good. In this video, we're going to talk about class positions and welfare, mainly subsumed class payments. Let's go. Marxian theory notes the following. People have different roles in society, like gender, employment, and race, and are rewarded or punished accordingly in terms of the welfare. We can model and compare welfare of different people in society by comparing their subsumed class payments, or SSCP. This is defined as the summation of all yi's, where I goes from 1 to n, where yi is a payment at class position I held by a given consumer or group of people. Using this basic concept of subsumed class payments, SSCP, let us do a Marxian analysis of the most basic unit of society, that being the home. Let our home contain two agents, that being a husband and a wife. Let us consider the traditional household where the husband works and the wife does the housework. The class position the husband has is singular as a breadwinner or sole provider to the wife, while the class position held by the wife is as a housekeeper who goes and cooks food for the husband. Let the consumption pattern of the household be the following. In period 1, the husband comes home with a wage of $100 from his job. With the money, he gives $50 to his wife for her needs and dinner. In period 2, the wife goes to the store and buys $20 worth of materials needed to make dinner. She prepares the food that is now worth $50 because she goes and adds value to that food from making it from being raw to cooked or from unprepared to prepared. In period 3, dinner is served and the husband and wife split the food equally. The class payments of the husband and the wife respectively are, notice for the SSCPH, which is for the husband, right? We have the payment from his employment plus the payment from the food that he goes and he gets. So he ends up getting $100 and he pays $50 to his wife. He gives $50 to his wife. And he receives an endowment of the food that he goes and gets from his wife, which is $25, right? So he ends up with a total of $75 worth of services in this example. By comparison, for the wife over here, her subsumed class payments are that she gets the $50 from the husband, but she has to take 20 of those dollars to go and buy food and materials to go and cook it, right? So once she cooks the food with YF, she produces 50 of that, and she has to go and give away 25, half of it, to the husband. So she ends up with $55 worth of services in the end. Based on this analysis, we see objectively that the husband is better off than the wife. This type of argument, though often not quantitatively defined or discussed in such a manner, is the basis for the heterodox approach to feminist economics. So that's the Marxian analysis of the home and the idea of subsumed class payments, which is crucial to analyzing welfare in society and more specifically how there is a social aspect to the economy through Marxian scholars. So that was the series on Marxist economics. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought.